Hey guys, Bobby here. Welcome to how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020, tips and tricks, how to get more views, subscribers, and make more money. Today I'm going to go over tip number 22, which is tweet to your influencers. What does that mean? Well, stay tuned. I'll tell you right after I recap yesterday's tip, which is tip number 21, which is post in Facebook groups, Instagram, and Reddit, right? Subreddits. So in order to do that, you'd have to get traffic outside of YouTube into YouTube, right? So outside of YouTube, so like in Facebook groups and things like that. So YouTube's algorithm is looking at, who is checking out content and the sources from an external link, like I said, Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, or any other platform that you use, right? So what you do is you go into these Facebook groups, these Reddits, these forums, Instagram, and provide value. So find out. So for example, for this video, it's all about how to grow your YouTube channel. So if you find Facebook groups about YouTube, YouTube creators, how to get more views and subscribers, answer those questions regarding to that topic. And don't spam your Facebook channel link, right? Provide value, get to know them, right? And then build that rapport and then send them to your channel. That makes sense? It's a long-term game, guys. No spamming. All right, tip number 22, it's all about Twitter. Remember, I said it's all about Twitter, right? So you tweet to your influencers. So if you are doing a product review, you might want to do the product that a celebrity or influencer is using, or the creator of that, and tweet at their name, right? The influencer's name. So like, if you're reviewing maybe Jordan sneakers, right? You're gonna be like, at Michael Jordan did a video on a sneaker review, right? Or something like, ready? A book review, right? Rich Dad, Poor Dad at Robert Kiyosaki just did a book review of the whole 10 chapters of this, right? Or something like a product review, right? Things like, I just did a review on the passive income lifestyle from ODI production. Mention ODI, right? That's how you do it, guys. And stay tuned to tomorrow's tip, number 23. That's going to release at 11 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. It's going to be all about branding, right, guys? So if you like this kind of things, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you tomorrow.